Hello everyone, welcome back to ECUteam channel, and today we have this Mercedes SL600. This is the V12 V-Turbo, and today we'll be taking out the ECU because the car is not starting, and then when the other shop did try and start it, there was no response to the throttle whatsoever. So today we'll take care of two problems. We'll replace the ECM. We will align the ECM to the car, and on top of that we will also program the throttle body to the point where it will be able to move the car. So let's get to it. This is what the car is doing on the original module. Put it in, ignition on, start. As you can see, it doesn't even want to start. So let's take out the module. First things first, we need to locate the ECU on this particular cell. It's located on the driver's side once you pop the hood, right here under this plastic cover. And we'll need to remove the cover. And then the ECU is located right here. This is the ECU. The screwdriver that we are using is called T25. It's a special star screwdriver. Looks just like that. And that's what we'll be using to take out the screws on this Mercedes. We got the ECU out from the car. Now it's time to diagnose it and see what's wrong. We will need to read out the module. As you can see, we got our wiring connected to the ECU. Okay, so after you connected the battery, right now we need to relearn the replacement ECU, so that way it will be able to start the car and work with the throttle. Let's get to that. As you can see, drive authorization for everything is a no, as well as the immobilizer, which is also interlocked. So right now we'll make sure that the drive authorization will be on. Every single one of the actual values is now saying yes, which means that the car should start. So it started.
All right.
Got the key inside of the ignition, let's start it. All right, now throttle. Look. Very nice. Right, since the car is started now, we need to check out the fault codes. And as you can see, it says that no fault codes are present. This is exactly what we need. Car starts, and the module not only is replaced, it's also adapted, learned, programmed, particularly for this exact car.